I never understood how cooking could be someone's passion until I met her. Between running Earthchild skincare and her research on botanical compounds, she finds her balance here. And so have I, working beside her in our kitchen. While her days are full of formulations and business meetings, here she slows down, tests recipes, calls friends, and follows her instincts with spices. Some evenings I help prep ingredients or warm plates, learning when to jump in and when to step back. Together, we've discovered that cooking isn't about rushing to get food on the table. It's our way of pausing in a busy world. This is a celebration of a woman who moves through life with intention, and a reminder that the best journeys are walked together.